In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to search movies on Google Drive in 2025, offering a comprehensive full guide to make your experience seamless. We'll walk through a straightforward process to locate movies that you've uploaded or saved in your Google Drive account. This tutorial is perfect for anyone who wants to make the most out of their Google Drive storage for their movie collections. Let's begin by opening your Google Drive. Go to your preferred web browser and type in drive.google.com or simply search for Google Drive. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the homepage, which is the main dashboard where you can view all your files. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with this interface if you haven't already. Now head over to the search bar located at the top of the page. This search bar is your gateway to quickly finding specific files within your drive. Click on it to activate the search box. You'll notice it provides a variety of search options, which are particularly helpful when sifting through numerous files. To fine-tune your search to movies specifically, you'll want to refine your search criteria. Next, focus on the search options offered, and you'll see an icon that says Type. Clicking on this will open a drop-down menu displaying different categories of files you can search for, such as documents, spreadsheets, and presentations. But today we're interested in videos, so go ahead and select video from that list. After you've selected the video type, simply press enter on your keyboard or click the search icon. This action will filter your results, and you'll be presented with all the video files currently stored in your Google Drive account. Look through your results. Depending on how you've named your files, you might easily spot the movies you're interested in watching. If you know the name of a specific movie you're looking for, you can type its name into the search bar after selecting video, which will narrow down the search even further. As a quick tip, it's always helpful to ensure that your files are well organized and labeled. This helps streamline the process and improves your search experience over time, especially if you frequently upload or back up your video content on Google Drive. That's everything you need to search for your movies on Google Drive, using straightforward steps that make the process easy and efficient. By following these instructions, you can better manage your digital movie library directly from your drive, making movie nights more organized and hassle-free. Remember to keep your drive tidy and update your file names for even more efficient searching. Thank you for joining me in this tutorial today. If you found these instructions helpful, consider sharing with others who might benefit. Happy searching and enjoy your movies.